Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to play the fun Dog Man theme on the piano. We'll start by getting comfortable with your hand placement on the keyboard. Then, we'll explore the main melody, focusing on the right hand. After that, we'll introduce some simple chords for your left hand to add depth. Finally, I'll share some helpful practice strategies to get you playing smoothly in no time. Get ready to make some music. Let's begin with your right hand and the catchy melody. Position your right thumb on middle C, which is often the white key just to the left of the two black keys in the middle of your piano. The main tune uses just 5 notes: C, D, E, G, and A. Practice playing these notes slowly, one after another, to get a feel for the rhythm. Aim for a consistent, even sound as you press each key. Now let's bring in your left hand to add some harmony with simple chords. We'll focus on just 2 main chords for the Dog Man theme. The first is a C major chord, played by pressing C, E, and G simultaneously. The second is a G major chord, using G, B, and D. Practice switching between these 2 chords smoothly. Remember to keep your wrist relaxed and your fingers curved for the best sound. To play the full Dog Man theme, first ensure each hand is confident with its part individually. Once you feel ready, begin combining both hands very slowly, focusing on just a few notes or a short phrase at a time. A metronome can be a fantastic tool to help you keep a steady tempo. Aim for consistent daily practice, even just 15 minutes, and you'll be playing this fun tune with ease and confidence very soon.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.